Hey friends, welcome back. ETPC here with another unboxing. This is a mystery unboxing. So this came to me in the mail the other day. It did have this thing on it from the United States Postal Service. It says received in damaged condition. So this tape was on there. So let's see what's inside, shall we? It feels pretty light for this kind of a box. So is there... Okay. So... yeah, let's see what else. Anything else in the box there? Doesn't appear to be. Quite a large box for what we have here. And Locolo, Mandula Ray, Ox, and wall art. Alright, so... interesting. I can't even see it in the bag there. Sorry about that. Let's open up the bag and see what this is here. Maybe some kind of stencils. They almost look like they have like a glow in the dark color here. Okay, so that's kind of a cool pattern. Actually, kind of pretty. And that one's kind of neat too. So basically someone just sent me a bunch of stencils here. That one's quite beautiful. They look like snowflakes or something. And neat little designs here. Trying to think what you could use them for. I mean, you could put them on cloth maybe and color around it with some kind of fabric marker or something. Put it on the wall and make stencils. Maybe spray paint. Yeah, so kind of cool. I mean, I'm not the most artistic guy. I do like art, but I'm not very good at it. You know, I'm not very... I mean, I can draw you a stick man, but as far as being able to draw anything very good, yeah. So I'm sure someone else can use these. I can find someone to give them to, though. But these are cool. The size of that box, it almost seemed like there was something else in there, you know. It just seems kind of weird to put this in a big box like that. So, I mean, just have that little piece of tape holding it open. Maybe something else got removed. I'm not sure. There wasn't any instructions or anything like that. And this is my only clue. Something Ox and Walls art, Locolo. You know what? Hang on. Let me look that up on. See if I can find out more details here. Oh yes, all right, I did find it. So this is these are 6x6 painting stencils, and there's a set of 9 here, and they're put out by Locolo. You can grab these on Amazon. So these are around $12, and I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can check these out if you want to. So you could do different art projects with that. You could put it on a shirt or just different things. So pretty cool stencils here. Definitely nice little designs. Appear to be well constructed. Plastic here. Maybe I'll do a little product demonstration video using this as well. So thanks for watching this unboxing, mystery unboxing. Everyone have a great day there, and we'll see you next time.